Hi, welcome back. I'm here to show you some more of how to sew in an end. I have a really great darning needle, nice and sharp at the end. And all I do is I go in the direction that the thread is going. So what I look for is I work in an S or a snake way. So I put it through one that's very close by. This will work. I'll put it through this one and then I'll go up some kind of, or I'm going back, I mean, so because we want to stay with an S. And so when I do that, I just tighten it. It makes like a little rosebud, I call it. And then I'll just stick the needle back through those two stitches. Find like you can feel with the needle where it is stiffer, and that's where you want to put it through. And if it doesn't feel quite as stiff as you want, I find another stiffer area there, and I just knot it through. And there, it's nice and tight, perfect. I just tighten it extra tight. Look at the next one. And as you do more of these, you get used to it and more comfortable on what you like to do. So here we are. The thread goes in the top right direction. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to guide it right through the next pull it a little, and then I'm going to go back the other way onto the next one, to the side of it. Pull it a little round. It does go in a little round circle. If it doesn't make a nice little round circle, it just means that you didn't find the right stitch to go through. So just give it another try, and whatever feels comfortable to you. There, that one's done. And so then I just take my scissors and snip them right off at the base of the blanket. And as I'm working through, you can see now there's more eyes, more of the face showing, and it's very clean. So once it is all complete, I will post what it looks like. It might take me a while because of all these ends. Here's another one. Up and through, oops, too high, up and through, back and down, and then up in the center. So it's really 3 stitches that ultimately work. Black is the hardest to see, I think. You need a very good light. And up in the middle. There, nice and anchored, tight. It's very time consuming, but I guess that's what brings us all to the point in a project like this. It's not about what we're creating, it's about the process and what it does for us. So here we go. I'm going to go up through this one. Okay. And then I'm going to go down through the next one. And then up through the center, but this feels a little more tighter to me, so I'll put it this way. And that's it. They are anchored. I'll probably post a few more of these as I go along, but there was a few of how I sew in ends in a Graphghan part 2. Thanks for watching.